Very, very, very important topic today. A topic that has been reigning throughout my life, a topic that's been reigning throughout your life, and a topic that's been reigning throughout the consciousness of humanity. The topic of the day is fear. Woo! Okay, you feel that? Can you feel that a little bit? Fear. Fear is such a debilitating energy. And I think all of us have gotten to know fear pretty well in our lifetimes. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us have come to the conclusion that doesn't really serve me the way I would like it to serve me. Fear can serve you in many instances. It can motivate you to make specific changes in your life. It can motivate you to get away from certain things you need to get away from. But it can also be a very, very annoying barrier when it comes to your personal evolution and growth and progress in your life. It can be an obstacle that you unnecessarily have to hurdle over and over again as you're running towards your dreams, as you're trying to manifest the things you want to manifest. So today what I want to share with you guys are a couple of ideas that will enable you to drop all of this burdenous, unnecessary fear that you find weighs you down, all throughout your life. And first off, fear, I heard this on a great speaker. I saw this on Instagram not long ago, and it spoke to me. But fear is nothing more than expecting a negative result. When you feel fear in your life, catch yourself. What thoughts are running through your mind right now? You are anticipating and expecting a result in which you don't want. So what happens? You feel this fear start coursing throughout your heart chakra. And what happens? You begin to shut down. Your throat begins to shut down. All the chakras that are close to this heart right here. You feel fear in your heart. You ever notice that? Fear resides right here in your heart because it's on the same coin as love. Right? And so when you feel fear, you often find your throat, your speaking ability begins to shut down. You stop seeing things properly, and you don't get access to the infinite intelligence of the universe the way you would like to access that. As well as you'll find in your solar plexus in your belly, you'll find your power center shutting down, which means you can't really, allow your feminine or masculine energy, your sexual energy to take root. And then down in your root chakra, your security, your groundedness is thrown off because of what? The fear that you're allowing to exist in your heart. So one thing I want to encourage you to do today is to attack whatever it is you're fearful about. What are you afraid of? Think about that. Really reflect on that. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? What are some things right now? Write down, if you can, if you have access to pen and paper right now, or your phone, or whatever you're near, write down 5 things that you feel scare you more than anything. All right? And if they are things that you can go and attack right now, do it. Because what will happen, what you'll find, the thing that you'll find the thing that you'll find that takes place when you attack the things that you're afraid of is that fear is no longer taking residence in your heart. And let me tell you something. One thing about the heart, man, the heart is at the center. Love is a very, very powerful weapon of mass creation. But the thing is, you can't access it when you're allowing fear to take residence in your heart. So go attack the thing that you are afraid to attack. What are you afraid to do that you feel in your soul and in your heart you should do? Go do it. Because once you do it and you get that action out of your system, when you get that roadblock out of your system, now the gates open for universal intelligence, aka love, to flow through you on a higher level. And that's something that in the last couple of years, I personally have been attacking. Things that I love to do and engage in, I used to not engage in because of fear. Fear of how people may perceive me, or fear of failure, or fear of imaginary fear of things, scenarios that I was imagining that could possibly happen. I'm telling you, man, you want to open up your third eye? You want to open up your body and your mind for universal energy to flow through? You have to attack the things in your life that you can't help but hold on to that cause you to be fearful. Attack them, man. And it's going to be uncomfortable. Life is meant to be uncomfortable. Things that are uncomfortable cause you to grow. Things that make you uncomfortable also make you grow. So I just want to encourage you today in this video to attack what you're afraid of. Reflect on it. And then just stop thinking. Stop thinking. Stop thinking and go do something about it. And things may be shifted around in your life. Suddenly, when you attack those things that you're afraid of. Things may look different after you attack those things you're afraid of. But I promise you, it's going to rearrange itself so that it reflects what you've been imagining, what you've been desiring, what you've been wishing and hoping for and praying for. Things will rearrange themselves. Initially, when it rearranges itself, it may be uncomfortable, it may not look like it, but it's setting you up so that you can move through your path in a way in which you can now come this much closer to manifesting what you've been dreaming. All right? So, much love. Much love to you. Go out today. Attack what you're afraid of. And I'll see you next time. All right, y'all.